Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ice cream garden. First, select a sunny location in your yard that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. This ensures your plants thrive. Next, think about the overall design and the flavors you want to represent. Sketch out your layout, considering plant heights and color combinations to create a visually appealing and delicious-looking space. Now, let's pick the perfect plants for your ice cream garden. Think about vibrant colors and interesting textures. Consider plants like petunias for sprinkles, hostas for waffle cones, and colorful annuals for various scoops. Prepare your soil by adding organic compost to improve drainage and nutrient content. Good soil is crucial for healthy plant development and a flourishing garden. Designing your ice cream garden is where the fun truly begins. Arrange your chosen plants to create the illusion of scoops, swirls, and toppings. Use taller plants in the back and shorter ones in the front for depth. Incorporate whimsical elements like painted rocks or small garden ornaments to enhance the theme. Remember to leave space for growth, ensuring your garden looks delightful as it matures. Maintaining your ice cream garden is key to its long-term beauty. Water your plants consistently, especially during warmer months, and consider mulching to retain soil moisture. Deadhead spent blooms to encourage new growth and keep your garden looking fresh. Fertilize according to your plant's needs, typically every few weeks. Enjoy the sweet, whimsical atmosphere you've created. And hey, for a fresh scent on the go, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.